Good morning vlog. I got my hair and makeup and outfit on, like so rare, but my mom and I are, I'm heating up a bottle for her. My mom and I are bringing her and we're going to have a little brunch. Set those down, she just spit her pacifier out. We're going to brunch. It's for Mother's Day, but it's not Mother's Day yet. Oh, hey. You know, this is me attempting to vlog and it's very hard because this is what happens. We're going to brunch, okay? So here's what I'm wearing. I have mom style right now for 2 reasons. 1, we're evolving. 2, I don't have anything that fits me. I just bought these pair of like Reformation jeans in a size that fits. So that's basically what all of my outfits are revolved around, the pair of jeans. But this is a bodysuit from like Nudes. I also got this finally in my size. Like, look at these honkers, oh my God. Jeans, Reformation. These shoes are from Pedro. Love me a loafer right now. I am bringing back the Celine bag. This was the first designer bag I ever bought for myself, so kind of nostalgic. Earrings, I'm not 100% sure. I'm so bad with jewelry because so many brands send me things, but it's hard to keep track of like what's from what brand because there's no like logos on it. And this jacket is Christine's Gallery. I'm sure she got it like vintage. This is our look. Okay, we're preparing the diaper bag. I already have stuff in here. It's like not organized or cute at all. It's just like an extra outfit, blanket, wipes, pacifier wipes, diapers, whatever. But in here they have these like insulated pockets. So I'm gonna pump before we go. That way the milk can like be out for like 4 hours. But I think that I should put like an ice pack in one of these sides so that if she doesn't drink it, it doesn't just go bad. Like that's the thing with breast milk, like wasting any of it is just like the worst, most terrible thing in the world. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Look at this cutie girl. She's getting changed into her cute outfit for brunch. The hair is so nice. Yeah. Here come the pants. Give me your foot. She's got her Vejas on. Oh my goodness. So fashionable. Say hi. Hey. We made it. We made it. Falling asleep would be preferred, but she's chilling. I totally forgot to record the food. It was just so yummy. It was beautiful and delicious. These are the best. So good. And she's finally falling asleep. Yay! Okay, we're back home, but we did stop by the mall and my mom ended up buying Gaia a whole summer wardrobe. We went so crazy. We love the Ralph Lauren stuff. She already has so many outfits. And we got her first swimsuit and then H&M some things. Like look at these little tank top bodysuits. Like I would wear this. Finally got her some sun hats. Look at, so cute, so cute. Romper. We're excited. We went crazy. Good morning.
Buenos dias. So the chef making the cottage cheese.
No, it's cottage cheese for the extra protein.
Cottage cheese.
That looks like you can make a wrap out of that.
I'm gonna wrap this vegetable. Healthy. Just cut them under the carton.
Oh yeah. So baby girl slept like 7 hours straight. So it is such a good morning. It is such a good morning. I keep seeing like ads for like garden things. Maybe it's a sign. Look at the rare Steele hoodie. Steele before Steele was a thing.
Really? The hoodie you make it before anything?
Yeah, it was just merch. Alrighty. Well, it's a great morning, isn't it, baby girl? I'm on my way to Lee Jolie. You guys may know about this place that I love to go to for all these beauty treatments. And we're gonna get some Forma, Snatch My Face, and some Body FX. I used to do it on my face to like slim out. Now we're gonna do it on my body because, you know, I just had a baby. And I'm so excited. Mom's little spotted. It's going so fast. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you about today's sponsor. I'm so excited about it because I'm a genuine fan of their product. And I'm gonna be talking about 2 of these Haka products. So thank you to Haka. Baby girl's over there. Thank you to Haka for sponsoring this video. I literally love their products. So many other moms do. Like these were staples on my registry. So I'm gonna tell you what they do, what I love about them, because they've been helpful through my breastfeeding journey. So this is the like original silicone pump that they have, which is super nice. It can be used as a breast pump and it's only 1 piece, which is a lot easier to clean rather than other pumps that have like a bunch of different pieces. It also has a lid so you can just store it like right in your fridge like this. I normally use this when I'm nursing my baby. I will have her on one breast and then what I do is pull this back like this. So, you know, and then you just put it on, squeeze, put it on so it's suction. I felt like it was keeping my milk supply up if I was not doing some sort of pumping on the other breast, or, you know, once I switched her over, if I didn't pump longer than she ate for, I was not producing as much milk as I would like to. So I always wanted to use something like this, even if I was just nursing. This is a really great way to create a freezer stash too. So if you are nursing your baby, you know, let them eat till they're full, but have this on one breast, or put it on your breast once you switch them over, and then you just get like a little extra milk from your nursing session that you can then make a freezer stash out of, because baby's full and you created more milk. Yeah, it's great for that. Because this product is also affordable, that's a really affordable way to get extra milk instead of having to like buy expensive pumps and pump after your baby eats. Like, this is just another way to keep your supply up, make an extra stash for you and your baby. Also, not what it's like marketed for, but one of my favorite new ways to use this I've found out was for clogged ducts. So sometimes when you're breastfeeding, you'll be clogged, and no matter how much you pump, it's just like hard in there and it hurts and it's uncomfortable, it's terrible. You fill this with Epsom salt and water while you're in the shower, you know, put it on as normal and just kind of massage, and it helps clear that out. It really helped me when I was struggling with the clogged duct, so love this for that. Then we have the ladybugs. So these ones I didn't initially get for myself, and then once I was breastfeeding I realized, oh, these are a absolute must. So these are milk collectors. They're not a pump. It does not express for you. It just catches anything that falls. So if I was nursing her and I didn't have anything on this side, and I didn't feel like, you know, fully pumping with this, either I would start leaking and it would get all over her clothes and my clothes, or I'd have to constantly wear nursing pads. Those work, but they get filled up with milk and you're just wasting milk. You just plop this in. I have two because you can basically wear them around the house if you leak. I'm a big leaker, so you can just wear these like chilling whenever, and it just catches extra milk and then store that and save it. Or when you are nursing, it's good to catch the letdown of the other breast, because you don't want to waste it. Like, I would leave one in her nursery where I would nurse sometimes, and then one by my bed. Obviously you wash them each time, but I would set them those places, so when I went to nurse her in her nursery during the daytime, I would use this on one while she nursed on the other, and then I would have one next to my bed for nighttime. But yeah, these are some really great breastfeeding tools. Big fan, so I'm so excited that Haka wanted to work with me, because I already had these products. I didn't even have to send them to me. Make sure to go check them out. We got a sexy handyman over here. We got 3 IKEA little drawers, to organize makeup in my beauty room. Francisco's being the best.
Your favorite worker is
yeah, he's being the best and putting it all together. He's doing it pretty fast.
So happy to help and be productive.
Feels good?
Yes, because...
And I'm here to hang out, keep him company. But let me show you guys my beauty room so you can understand why this is so important to make this happen. This is the disaster. I know, it is so embarrassing, so terrible. I hate coming in here. I don't do it often. Yeah, it's really bad. Because why did this happen like this? I used to keep all my makeup in just like this. I don't know how this got out of hand. Just because there's no organization, there's nowhere for anything to go. Also, this vanity was not a real vanity. It was like a work desk, an office desk. And that's what I was planning on using it for. But then I was like, I don't need this giant desk to work on my computer. Like, I want to work on my computer in my bed. So I ended up using it as a vanity. And it's like giant, but I low-key like love how much space it has. But there's so much space underneath, which is also a mess. I have so much space underneath. So we're gonna put those little drawers. Maybe we should put one that's put together in here first to make sure it fits. But okay, can you pick it up all by yourself?
Less groups here.
I am feeling so good today. This is the first time I'm like, but I went to grab my Starbucks and I'm just like, I had a little cardigan over, but you know, first time I like left the house with something that like is tight to my belly and like felt good. I'm gonna do my makeup now. You guys like my glasses? Like, they're kind of ridiculous, but I kind of love them. I got them cheap on Amazon because I always break my nice ones. And I always need glasses, I do. I have the most random stuff in here, like a chandelier on the floor and a candle and another candle, more candles. Perfect. Perfect. So there's 3 of them. Do you think 3 will fit? Yeah. Yay, thanks babe. So I haven't got to do like my styling sessions, with myself in a long time, and Francisco has an important test shoot tomorrow. So we're doing it with him.
And her first customer.
Client.
4 outfits so far. And
yeah, and they're so good. Oh my gosh, I'm having the most fun ever. So this is his guest look. We're kind of like going for a few different vibes. Put the jacket on, please. So yeah, we have a few different looks. Like he's like building his book, a new book. Yeah, so I'm picturing if he had like aviator sunglasses, you know. This is a bad one to like start recording on because the other ones were like so much cooler. This is just like a classic one we need to get photos of him in. These are like the other looks that I picked out. We did it together, but and this is like a vintage one. This one's like cool. I was like, I think he should wear this huge puffer. I think that'd be cool. So Francisco ended up rescheduling his shoot, and then he also got a stylist. Oh my. Okay, no one wants me to record right now. Can you record me? He ended up getting a stylist. So he just came back from the styling session and he's trying on all of the looks, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys too because he's excited. They better be great. Me and baby girl are just watching the show. That's the first one. Is this the full look?
Yeah, I need the shoes. Supposed to be more like inside first. Then we put it together.
What shoes are you gonna wear?
Fashion. I forgot, but I have it before. This will be more LA.
So American, but like also not at the same time. Okay, outfit number 2 coming. Beautiful. Oh my god, the lighting is trash, but it looks so good. It looks good open. Wow. Okay, this is my favorite. Saint Laurent top. Where are the pants from? Do you know?
I don't remember.
But the belt is super cute. Big giant jacket. Love it.
A little bit more like closed up. Like very tight.
Close it up around your neck. It's just like tucked in. Cute. Love it, babe.